Vlogmas 2022. Hello? Yes, I'm doing Vlogmas 2022. Hey friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1 on the first day of Christmas. And I'm so excited to do Vlogmas this year. This is my second year doing Vlogmas. The last time I did it was in 2019 and it was just so overwhelming. So this time I have a game plan and I'm excited to share with you Vlogmas from my point of view. So if you're interested in Vlogmas, make sure you click the subscribe button to be notified whenever I post. This year I will be doing Vlogmas, but it will be the abridged version. I am doing 12 days of Christmas. I will be posting a video every other day instead of every day, just to work a little bit better with my schedule, because it is busy for me as an accountant in December. I wanted to participate in Vlogmas, but I knew I couldn't commit to posting every day. So hopefully you guys enjoy my Vlogmas. Now on to Vlogmas Day 1. Woo! So for Vlogmas Day 1, I will be showing you the behind the scenes of how I decorated my trees for Christmas. And I not only have one tree, I have 3 trees this year, and I'm really excited about that. I'm starting off with tree number 1, which is my mannequin tree in the living room. If you're interested in seeing how I put together this mannequin tree, you can check out the tutorial that I made a few years ago. I will have that linked up in the cards above and in the description box below. But I am finally moving this tree to be by the window so that when I open my curtains, people can actually see my tree from outside. For this tree, I've actually had it up all year and I tried to decorate it for each season and or holiday. So it's been an interesting year. Now I am switching out the pink for a gold color because my colors this year are going to be gold, silver, and white. So I'm actually using an old curtain that I got for my bedroom that I ended up not using for my rooms. It's just sitting around and I use it for different projects. So I'm just using that for the top of my mannequin tree. Alexa, turn on my Christmas tree. Okay. I love that feature. This was the first year that I used ribbon on my tree. I watched a few YouTube videos and I was inspired by the ladies who had ribbons on their trees, so I'm using it on mine. And I actually like how it looks. It gives it a little bit more pizzazz and it also takes up space in the tree and give the tree more depth too. I also like to decorate this table that's right underneath my TV. Now let's pretend like we don't see those black cords coming from my TV. I actually just bought something to conceal them, so hopefully that will be my next project around the house. The last thing that I like to decorate in this room is my little center table. I actually made this table from crates and plywood. It was a DIY project that I did after I bought my house. It sucks though because I created this table before I even thought of creating my YouTube channel. So I have no tutorial of me actually making the table, but I can put together step-by-step pictures or something if you guys are interested in that. Next, I like to make cookies from scratch every year. I'm using my granny's recipe that's passed on throughout our family, and these cookies are oh so good. While the cookies are cooling down, I'm going to move on to other things around the house. So I like to switch out my soaps, my candles, and my wall plugins that I get all from Bath & Body Works. I'm also switching out the rug that I have by my deck to something that's more wintry, that has snowflakes and is really cute. And now on to tree number 2. This is the first time I put a tree in my bedroom, and I was actually very surprised because I didn't think the tree was going to be as wide as it is. I thought it was going to be more skinny. This is supposed to be a pencil tree, but it's still kind of thick in my opinion. I might have to put it over there. It is taking up too much space. For some reason, I didn't think it was going to be this big. Beware, flock trees are messy. I think I just messed up my socks, but I'm going to vacuum because I don't want this on my floor. And I think I'm going to also move my tree because one, look how tall it is. You couldn't see it in the last shot. It's tall. And it's kind of wider than I expected. So I'm going to put it in this corner where my ring light is currently and by the window, so my neighbors can also see the lights and stuff when I turn it on. And that way it's not really in the way because right now it's currently kind of blocking my TV and my little dressing area. So we're gonna move it. Woo! So now that we're done with this tree, I turned off the light so you can see the tree in the dark. and I think this is my favorite tree out of all of my trees this year. It's really giving glam and I love it. I love flock Christmas trees, and this was my first time doing one this year, so I was really excited for that, and it turned out really nice. Now on to tree number 3. This one is by my front door on the basement floor, and this one is a small one. This is a 4-foot one, and it's also flocked, as you can see. None of my trees are pre-lit, so I bought new lights for all of my trees this year. Once again, this one also has ribbon. I wanted to jazz it up by using a cheetah print ribbon, and I just thought that was so cute. Since I don't have presents to put down by this one, I just put this extra large ornament and 2 of my fake poinsettias just to give this tree a little bit more oomph. We are still waiting on the skirt, but for now, this is what it looks like. Now that you've seen the behind the scenes of how I put my Christmas trees up, I am going to be introducing my Vlogmas intro video in 3, 2, 1. This is so new to me and I'm really excited. I hope you guys like it. I've always seen other creators do really cool Vlogmas intros and I've always wanted to do it, but I just didn't have the time. I chose to do a Christmas tree in my room because I already have gold in my room. Like, that is the color in my room, gold, and you can see that here. So I thought it would be perfect to add a gold tree in my room. So this is the conclusion of Vlogmas Day 1. I hope you guys enjoyed my glam Christmas trees this year. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up for this video. It really helps my channel out a lot. And also, if you're interested in seeing the rest of my Vlogmas, click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And leave me a comment down below letting me know, what is your favorite tree? Was it tree number 1, tree number 2, or tree number 3? I think number 2 might be my favorite this year. Let me know your favorite in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on Vlogmas Day 2. Thanks for watching Vlogmas 2022.